so much for joining me in this little art vlog. I hope you enjoy spending time watching me paint a few pieces, exploring some art activities, and just enjoy living the slow, simple moment of an artist week. Today I'm painting a warrior. I created her during a period of recovery when I was slowly healing, both mentally and physically, after a very difficult time. Yeah, to be honest, the past few months were very hard, and she reminds me to stay strong, to rise again after the low point, and to shine bright again. A lot of unexpected things happened in my life in the past few months has put me into a situation where I spend a lot of time alone. I think 99% of the time I'm just by myself, and painting has become my main activity these days. Choosing this path, being an artist self-employed, also means facing with loneliness. I think it's simply part of the journey, and even though it's not always easy, I'm grateful for it because solitude has helped me understand myself so much more. I realized that maybe I'm not as introverted as I thought. Sometimes I really miss more conversation, maybe just silly chit chat, but I really miss the presence of people. And I start wondering, what is this reflecting inside me? Am I being a good companion to myself? Because I remember I read a quote from someone said, if you get bored when you're alone, it means you're in bad company. Maybe sometimes I'm not a good friend to myself. This is a small painting I did on an empty airport. It's an autumn piece, a little goodbye to fall. I actually planned to paint it last month, but only now did I finally sit down to create it. And the winter has already arrived. I don't know why, but I feel a bit nostalgic. Do you ever feel like the whole year passes in a blink? It's so quick. It's like autumn slipped away before I even had the chance to do anything with it. So maybe this painting is my way of holding on to the season a little longer, the season that always inspired me the most to create. I always dream of seeing the forest turning bright red and orange in person, but since I haven't been there yet, all I can do is bring that dream to my life through my painting. I believe that solitude is a natural part of an artist's life, or maybe for everybody that self-employed or just working on their own. And I think the real practice is learning to be a better friend to myself. It's maybe writing a journal, lighting a candle, playing soft music, setting up the canvas and let my brushstroke flow, or just treat myself a good cup of coffee or a sweet cake, taking myself on a walk around the city, or maybe just doing nothing at all. Just let emotion move the way they want. And always after that, I feel much, much better. When I truly enjoy and focus on what I'm doing in the moment, that's when I finally feel the magic of being present, the power of the now. When my mind becomes quiet and the ego stops reminding, telling me how lonely I am, I move from feeling isolated and separated to feeling grateful for all the simple things I have right in front of me. Maybe it's just a nice, healthy meal, a good cup of coffee, or a cozy night just in my tiny corner painting, and it starts to rain outside, and suddenly everything becomes so beautiful. This portrait study had helped me improve a lot. When I work on canvas, I'm not only painting the face, I get distracted by the figure, the clothes, the background, and sometimes a small canvas just doesn't give me enough space to focus only on the portrait. That's why these exercises are so useful for me. And honestly, I really enjoy them. I don't have to think about the composition. I just paint the face and focus on the color. I also practice capturing expression. I think this is something I have to practice for my entire life, how to express emotion in portrait painting. It's so interesting, and it's also the reason I love portraits so much, but at the same time, it's very challenging.